morning students. Hope you all are doing well. Myself Jyoti Tyagi, maths teacher in the Mount Olivet Senior Secondary School. Praise the Lord everyone. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is chapter number 1, large numbers. So let's get started. Before we start, let me tell you, in this video we'll be covering some topics such as Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So let's start with our first topic, numeration system. Why do we need numeration system? With the help of this system, we can easily read and write any number. So how many type of numeration system are there? There are two types of numeration system. First is Indian system of numeration and another one is international system of numeration. So my dear students, आपके माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आया होगा, वाई देर आर टू सिस्टम्स टू राइट अ नंबर. तो बच्चों, मैं यहाँ पर आपको बताना चाहूँगी, इन इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन वी यूज इंडियन पीरियड्स, मीन्स इंडियन नेम्स, lakhs and crores, but lakhs and crores are not used internationally, means international level पर lakhs and crores का यूज़ नहीं होता है. In international system we use millions and billions. Okay. So students, here we have Indian place value chart. First of all, which place is there? Ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand. Now 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. These are the short forms. We use O for ones, T for tens, H for 100 and TH for 1000. This capital T is used for 10, L is for lakhs and TL is for 10 lakhs. These are the member of ones family. These two are the member of thousand family, and again these two are the member of lakhs family. So students, here you can see that there are 3 members in ones family, 2 members in thousand family and 2 members in lakhs family. Now the thing comes, how to put commas between the different places. Here is the simple trick to learn how to insert commas. Ones, tens, 100. Now the member of first family are complete. Now I am putting comma. 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Let's start writing a number. 4, 9, 5, 3, 6, 1, 0. Students, here I want to tell you one important thing, that if we have to write any number, start writing from the right side, and if we have to read any number, we start reading from the left side. Again I am repeating the same thing. अगर हमें कोई नंबर राइट करना होता है, अगर कोई नंबर लिखना होता है तो हम राइट साइड से लिखते हैं, जबकि अगर नंबर को रीड करना है तो हम लेफ्ट साइड से रीडिंग करते हैं। लेट्स राइट वंस, टेंस, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Now I am putting these digits here, so I am starting writing from the right side. 1 0 1 6 comma 3 5 comma 9 4. Now here we have 4953 610. Now how we have to read this number? What is the right manner to read this number? If I am reading this number like 4, 10 lakh, 9 lakh, so this is wrong. This is not the right method. We have to count the full members in 3 family. Here we have 49. And the period is lakh. Now 53 and the period is 1000. And what is left over? 610. Let's take one more example. Five, 9, 6, 4, 3, 0. Now let's write ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now I am putting the digits from the right side. 0, 3, 4, comma, 6, 9, comma, 5. Now here we are looking that no digit is here at 10 lakh place. Now the number is 5 lakh 96,430. Five lakh 96,430. Next we have, now we have to understand how to write numerals in Indian system of numeration. Here we have 17 lakhs 18,912. Now again I am writing ones, tens, 100. Now 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. 17 lakhs, 17 lakhs 18,000, 912, 912. Students, here 1 and 7 are the member of lakhs family, 1 and 8 are the member of thousand family, 9, 1 and 2 are the members of ones family. Here we have one more example for the better understanding of the concept. Again we have to apply the same method. Write ones, tens, 100, put comma, then 1000, then 10,000, again comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Now 9 lakh 6,050. So this is all about Indian system of numeration. Let's come to the next topic, that is international system of numeration. Here we have international place value chart. Let's have a look. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Students, up to 10,000 international place value chart and Indian place value chart same है. There is no difference in between international place value chart and Indian place value chart up to 10,000. So where is the difference? Difference comes here. In Indian place value system, after 10,000 we use lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore and then 10 crore. But in international place value system, after 10,000 we use 100,000, now million, now 10 million and 100 millions. Dear students, here you can see the short forms also. Now these are the members of ones family, these three are the members of thousand family, and these are the members of millions family. There are three members in ones family, three members in thousand family and three members in millions family. So we can say that there are three members in each family. Now the question comes, how we have to put comma in international system of numeration. So here I am writing ones, tens, hundred. These are the member of ones family. So put comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. These are the member of thousand family, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now I am taking one number 9764321553. Now as I have already told you, whenever we have to write any number, start writing from the right side. So again I am writing ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now I am start writing the number here. So I am starting from the right side, 3, 5, 1, comma, 2, 3, 4, comma, 6, 7, 9. Now how we have to read this number? For reading this number, we have to count the full family, full member of the family. So here we have 976,432,153 ones. So let's write 976 and the family is million and the period is million. So I am writing here 976 and the period is million. Now we have 432 and the period is 1000. Now what is left over? 153. 153. Now let's come to the next topic. Here we have the concept how to write numerals in international system of numeration. Here we have the number 26,211,009. Let's write ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now the number is 26 million. 26 million 211,000 211,009. 2 and 6 are the member of millions family. 2, 1, 1 are the member of thousand family, and 9 is the member of ones family. Now let's take one more example. In this also we have to follow the same steps as we have followed here. So let's write ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. The number is 119 million. 119 million, comma, 503,000, 503,230, 230. So, dear students, this was all about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration.